Hello again. I will be talking to you about the introduction to Chapter 17, Synchronous versus Asynchronous Communication. First of all, asynchronous and synchronous communication are known to be World Wide Web-based technology. According to Jonathan, it is important that we communicate and transfer knowledge and skills in both face-to-face and asynchronous audiences, and this is producing higher levels of content retention, understanding, and satisfaction. So we do have tools and charts here that you will be looking at. First of all, we will be talking about synchronous classes, okay, and tools. Synchronous tools provide live, interactive, real-time communication and are set at a specific time. Students and instructors collaborate through live voice and video in fixed time and space. It's same time but different place. The following tools will give you an idea as to exactly what we're talking about. You have the tool, what it's used for, and examples of technology. These links right here, if you click on them, will take you to those websites where you can see examples of the technology that is being used. You have different ones for different reasoning, and there's quite a few that you might want to experiment with. Some of them, for example, I would say Second Life right here. I found that really interesting. I know you can probably do a class based on that. It seems a little bit more involved, but it's something that's kind of like captures more of your curiosity on it. Some of these Oovel, which is up here, looked really interesting to me. But like I said, there's a lot of these and you can explore with them, and it all goes back to how you're going to be using this technology, how you're going to be conducting your class. Further down I have this chart here. It's eCollege. It's another link, one of the links that's on there too. And I thought it was really interesting. It's a whiteboard tool, and it's just talking about how most of the schools are now going to this method, and it's really getting kind of popular. There's a little bit of background on here for you to kind of look at. Okay, there is another example of synchronous teaching, which is right here on YouTube. If you click this link, it'll take you right to it, and it shows students being taught through synchronous technology, something I found it very interesting. I hope you will too. Now as we get into asynchronous technology, which is different time and different place, which is what we're conducting. Again, we have more tools and more of how they're going to be used, examples. And again, if you click on these websites that we have here for you, here's the one that we were talking about earlier, eCollege. But if you click on some of these, you'll find very interesting asynchronous activities going on that that will help you conduct classes in a more professional, more efficient, more long-lasting event, to where students will like it and you yourself will be more creative with them. Again, there's web blogs, there's messaging, there's stream video. There are plenty of websites here that you can choose from and explore and learn. We also have an asynchronous collaboration link. This is also talking about asynchronous, and I've only used one example here simply because we're conducting an asynchronous class. Thank you, and please proceed to the following tab on our blog.